top scorer jing siya ha previous game. Mentak sngi kat ba persang ba boni kamrung ka gol te naga liang jong pipi don ni bonong.
Nakong ning shop congratulations ni ka tim berjob. Dan nak liang jongi la persang kat balak baya. Te amno de ibon benong. Congratulations winning team.
Okay, thank you so much. Battalion ke final.
Biang Leitkai berarti tim kita Tristom. Long no berarti liban dia job long rai ko hat jong job ko beram. Ti bakal plan kita yuk ke job. Kita tim jonga kata.
Ti haba PE ko mentak sngi ke tim F kap bagi ele ban skor kim la ka her ka bol kendong baik talak pai ka bol aduh apa timit kim la ban thap ti pidon ni bonong.
Ka duna bahagi liang striker jongki bagi yuk ki chance kim la ban bener kambat dia kata kijak kiba la ban penthap bagi gol mah.
Okay. तो खुशी बुन ते और सबसे पहले दोनों रेफरी को प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए पॉइंटिंग गुरुजी प्लीज आगे आइए और दोनों रेफरी प्लीज आइए.
Don, he's saying one sack of rice from him.
So they're proposing that pointing upon Sir SM to please distribute the prize. Captain of Team F. Round of applause, everyone, please. Thank you so much, sir. Please hand over the winning prize to Team A. Captain of Team A, please. Thank you so much, sir. And once again, I would like to request for Team A for winning the match today. Features for Team A. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much.